that we did already. Create a file is style.css. Create a file is style.css. Style.css is one file and home.html is another file. Home.html is another file under external CSS. Yeah, ready? How many files? 2 files. Till yesterday we have made HTML and CSS in the same file. CSS in the head section, HTML in the body, and based on ID and class we were linking it. But that file, suppose in service file yesterday, whichever the CSS we have written, that CSS you cannot use in home file. Because service file CSS code is separate and home file CSS code is separate. You have to copy paste again. External method says like no need to copy and paste. Whatever the CSS you are writing, create a separate file. Okay. And create HTML file, and in all HTML file call the same CSS. So CSS file will be only one and HTML file will be multiple. Multiple HTML file and only one CSS file. Okay. So we'll go to the CSS file, and for h1 tag write a property called color red and font icon size px. Color red and font size 50 px. Okay, now come to the which file? Home file. In CSS file, we have not started CSS anywhere. We have not closed the CSS anywhere. Reason, this file itself is CSS. So anywhere you can write the CSS without opening the style tag, without closing the style tag. This file now we have to link with HTML file, so that when we run the page, CSS will come in HTML, both will combine together and execute same time. So go to the home file now. In home file, so this written h1. So in home file, you have to start with HTML and follow the head and follow the style. A style no need to follow here. We have to link the Okay, we have to link that. Link rel equal to style set rel equal to style dot css. Okay, hope ready. Come down, follow the body tab. The right is H1. Then come home. Before H1, ULLI. I will have a tag, which are equal to current file name. About contact login sign up. About us login sign up. Save now. Ready? Run the file. Check for H1. Color is coming or not? For H1, the red color should come. Home file. Anything? Check now. CSS is calling. H1 should come in red color. H2. Yes, hello. Okay. in a class now. 3:30 I'll call you on 4 o'clock. Okay. Now, so H1 is coming. Red color. Where you are written the CSS for H1. In which file? Separate file. Style.css. Linking happen here. REL keyword defined. Style set. REL keyword define the style set. The file is going to link, the file type is style set. REL keyword used to define the what type of file it is going to link. So REL saying for a style set. It is going to link a file. The file type is style set. Okay, and where is the file? File is in current folder. So in that file, whichever the CSS you write, it will get applied directly to your HTML. Not linking. Style.html. CSS file you want to see. H1. For H1 we wrote color, red, font size. Color and font size, two things we have written. So working. Now CSS file will be this. We will create this all the file about contact, login and sign up. And in all the file we will add this code and we'll change the heading. CSS link remain same. CSS will be one place in a style.css file and HTML will be total 5 files. In all the files same CSS will. Let me know once in the chat. Can you reply? Are your page is loading like this? H1 welcome home is printing or not? Okay. Let's create the file. 2% only said something. Remaining will wait for your response. Create the next file about. Next file call about. Okay, cool. Then copy this line, paste in the next file, give the file name, call about ebout about.html. All same, change the heading as a about us. Similar way, create one more file called contact. Yes. To file, if you go to the about, same look, home, same look. but the content got changed. Same way, one more file, contact. Contact.html. Login.html. Signup.html. Check now. All pages should work. So this is called one-to-one or one-to-many. What we can say? One-to-many. Definitely it's one-to-many. Write one place in one page and use in throughout the project everywhere. This is the standard market follow. When you work in the offices and all everywhere, you will not write once and use once. You will write once and you will use how many times? Many times. That is called external CSS. Separate CSS and separate HTML. Separate CSS and separate HTML. Now change the color to green in the sign that page and check once. Go to the style.css file, change the color to green and check is it applying everywhere. All the pages. It should get applied in all the pages. One place if we change the green color, suppose red I change to the green. Now in your project 200 pages also there, no matter whichever the page you go, H1 color remain same. H1 color remain same. If you want to know there should be different color in different page, we have solution. We can create the ID and for all the ID we can write and we can call it. Okay, so we are clear till here. Compare inline CSS. If you remember inline CSS, how complex was that? Inline CSS. For each division, each paragraph, everywhere we have to write. That is called inline CSS. Still yesterday we wrote internal CSS. Suppose we have created now 6 pages, 5 pages. So in all 5 pages we have to copy paste CSS. Yesterday we did same, no? Copy paste, copy paste. CSS will be duplicate everywhere. If you want to modify, you have to go in all the pages. Because for current page, CSS will be in the current page. For next page, CSS will be in the next page. That is called what? Internal, page wise. HTML and CSS page wise. For each page have their own HTML and own CSS. In fact, CSS code is same, but it's getting copy paste. If you follow that method, that is also not bad. But when you want to modify the pages, 100 pages you have to open all 100 pages and modify from it. But if while modification, one comma will missed out, entire project will be break down. Tomorrow we need to hire the testing engineer because person who modifies the page is not know, he don't know what he did mistake. Okay, page is not working. Now person will come another person and he will start finding from one side where is the issue. That is called what? Difficulties. Difficulties, okay. Then next method can call as a external CSS. External CSS is like I am also CSS only, but not with your current page as a separate page. Okay, whenever you need, you call me, I will come and give the output. If you want to write one place, write here, and wherever you want, you can access it, no problem, everywhere it will work. Whether one page or thousand page, no, that is what I want. External CSS. So we are going to work on this now. Home page we have, we'll design many things and we'll come up one by one. Ready? So clear. So now we can differentiate inline, internal, external. Inline where page wise. Inline where line by line. Tag wise. Internal where page wise. External where separate. Separate HTML and separate CSS. So we'll come to the home file and yeah. Now go to your CSS file. So in UL file, in all the file we have copy paste the UL. UL is copy paste now. Now go to your CSS file, write some CSS for UL, LI and A so that it should create a navigation. For which one? UL. UL, LI and A tag is there. Write CSS, it should create a navigation in the purple color. Background should be purple. Background should be purple. Compulsory, everyone need to write. Are we writing? Everyone should be able to write. Please write it. Write the CSS, don't copy paste. Write the CSS for UL, keep the background is purple. Write the CSS for LI, give background something or nothing. Write the CSS for A tag, write some color for that decoration. Try. Tell me the problem once. I spoke a lot, so many for what purpose? I have asked you, this can you see this page, home page? It's come like this. You write the CSS so that it should look like this. Clear? Start writing. Start writing the CSS in which file? Style.css. Write some CSS for UL tag. See some back, give some background. You remember, no property value, something. Write it. See, once we start writing, then only result will come. Until unless you have not started writing, result will not come proper. The result is in your hand. So if anyone has written, please share me the code. The people who are available online in the Zoom, I'm expecting some CSS you should write for the UL tag. If one person has written something, only for UL, write for all ULLI, create a proper menu, change the color combination, everything. Copy paste is dangerous for you. If you do copy paste, now you will become okay, but tomorrow someone else will ask to write the code in their own system. That time your laptop will not be there. Clear or not? Tomorrow the company has called for those people for interview. Okay, and they have asked not to bring your laptop. Meaning is what? They wanted to do the actual testing. How much knowledge you have? Are you able to write the code from your hand or not? Something like this. Try, no, you have seen already. You will like how to write the CSS. Start. After class, we study in that room 2 hours, 3 hours. What do you study? Hmm? Uploading? Exams. Which exam? BTech semester exam. Little effort on this also is useful. Okay, so not able to write. Let me guide you. First, for body tag, you give some space from all side. Maybe I will go here, and for body tag, we can write a for body tag. We can write directly margin TPX. Margin 50 pH. From all the side, there will be gap of 50 pixel for body tag. Many will look like this. Again, margin padding display flags here use. Okay, inside the E tag, we can increase little font size font hyphen size 20 px will become little big font size. Next, after that, so this is okay. We have to download next called icon library, so that in home we can display the home icon. With about we can display some icon. With contact we can display everywhere. We can display some type of icons. Okay, so check once. Till here is ready. ULLIA. Written ULLIA. Next to that we have h1 tag. Remove the h1 tag and write a CSS here. Color red. Color colon red. Green. Color colon green. Color colon blue. Next, orange. Color orange. Pink. Color pink. So these colors we can use to display the text color. Class name red, green, blue, orange. Name of the class that is created by us. You can use it for the multi-purpose. Hope ready. Now come to the page. We have not used anywhere red green, so it's not coming as of now. Now get internet is there with everyone. Internet you need to know. You need to have internet. Next we'll open the website fontawesome.com. Open the website called fontawesome.com. Font awesome. Font awesome. Open the website. Fontawesome.com. Font awesome. / download, you can go directly. Fontawesome.com/download. Fontawesome.com/download. We can. You will select the version 6, let it be, and free for web. Click on free for web. Okay, click on free for web. It will download a folder. Folder is downloaded. You need to extract that. Copy that folder and paste into your main folder somewhere you can keep. After downloading, copy that folder. Open this website, fontawesome.com. So nothing to do in that. And click on download free for web. I send the URL. Click on that and click on free for download, free for web. Free for web. So we are downloading the folder. After downloading that folder, copy and paste here, and then you have to extract it. Click, do right click, and then after that extract all. Then extract all. Right click, extract all. Downloaded. Folder is extracted. This folder, hope is going on for everyone. Download it done. Extract is also done. Rename now to icon. A small name. Icon. 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 This icon folder you will keep under the external CSS. You can paste here. Icon folder. Hope ready icon. Anyone still going on or completed? Hope you completed. Come to the home file and call one more file. Call one more CSS file. Icon slash CSS slash all.css. All.css. Icon slash CSS slash all.css. So ready? So what we did, we gone to the fontawesome.com. After that, from the download URL, we downloaded the version, extracted that, we renamed that, and folder we kept under the external CSS. How you have created the style.css today? Similar way, the file we have downloaded, in that also there is a file called all.css. Now how to call that, it's the matter. So go here, after h1, write I class equal to fa hyphen desktop. When a small desktop icon will come, when a small desktop icon will appear, everything is well, a small desktop icon will appear. Sequence desktop icon is coming. Yes. Save it. Done. Okay. So for everyone, action is coming. Next, after that, come below. Desktop, let it be same. Right here, one more class called Ethe-2x, 3x, 4x, 5x, 1x equal to 16 pixel, 2x equal to 32 pixel. It will go till 10x. You can change it and check once. Size is increasing or not. Icon should come like this. This way. You have written the class also today. Red, green, blue, orange. That also you can call here. Suppose here we call it a green. So what will happen? Icon will come in green color. Here it call it a blue. Icon will come in blue color. Check it once. Next, search different color. Orange I have written. It's CSS file. Very orange. Open the CSS file. Very orange. Color colon ORA. Orange is ORA. So hope desktop is coming. This way. Okay. So there is a lot of icons are there that I will show you how to use that, how to call the icons. Go here, click on icon in the website. It says like free icons are 2,900. If I click on free icon, it will show all the free icons that is available. It's coming. See, can you see these icons? These all the icons. These all are free. This we can use anywhere. Different type of arrow key, arrow pointer, multiple type of syntax. Understand? Now, what type of icon you want? You need to go here and search. Suppose you like this icon. You like this icon. You have a requirement of this type of icon. Suppose you have a requirement of this kind of icon. Any kind of, whichever you want. Okay? Suppose you want this one. Arrows hyphen rotate. Class name is arrows hyphen rotate. ARROWS hyphen rotate. Let me go here. So what is the name is written here? Arrows hyphen rotate. So you can write here FAFA ARROWS arrows hyphen rotate. Arrows hyphen rotate. So class name we have to check from there, from the website. That below text is written, that is called class name. And how to start? FA space FA hyphen arrows hyphen rotate. Rotation symbol can. Okay, ready? Rotate cam. Go here. Suppose if I go here, take one more arrow key, maybe atom, or maybe here AWS, or maybe any icon, whichever you want. Shopping hyphen, bag hyphen shopping, bag hyphen shopping. So we can write here FA, bag hyphen, bag hyphen shopping, orange, red, check now. That class is calling. You can use other tag also, inline tag. You can use other tag also as an inline tag. See shopping bag appear. So this way we can take the icon from there. So what step we follow? We downloaded the icon. After downloading, where we kept? Under the external CSS. After that, we call there all.css. Now inside all.css, all the classes are written. How will come to know which class is available there? So for that, FA is initial everywhere you have to give. For normal icon, you write FA. For the brand icon, you have to write FAB, like Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, Angular, Java, HTML, React. These are called as a brand. So for that, we have to start with the FAB. Only the first class, FAB. Remaining same. Let me guide you. Suppose if I went here, FAB, FA hyphen Facebook. Facebook. Okay. Blue color. You can check it. Ready? What is coming? Facebook icon is coming. Same way, LinkedIn, Twitter, whichever you have, all you can call. Now come here. For the home, we need to display the home icon. So we can go here and write FA home. FA, maybe anything you can write. FA about us, building symbol you can write. contact us, map marker, contact us headset, login, lock, sign up, user plus. Check now. Icons will come everywhere. Hope ready. Icon is coming everywhere. Next, after that, this file we can leave. We can go for next file, about file. There we can use the icons in different way. Plus, we'll add some more things. Right. So we should go ahead. The next file about. The class, if it is interactive, like people answer, not answer, at least reply comes. It will like, okay, we are understanding. One way communication is called a simplex. Duplex means both the way communication. At least half simplex is also okay. But it is a completely one way communication. If not work, should reply at least, right? So if the reply will not come, I will understand it's working. Moving on. Next file we have this much you need to replace. Which much? this much. Then only icon will come in next file. Copy this. Go to the next file about link to till ul you replace. Where link start to till ul. Link to till ul you can replace. Because the link line is same. This much we have copied. And link head till ul replace, so that what will happen now? In about file also icon will come in header section. In about file also icon will come in header section. Check to file. About you are getting the icon. Home also we are getting the icon. So icon related stuff we have to put everywhere. In contact file also I will do the same. Till ul I will replace both the links and the content of li. In login also we can replace till here. In sign up also we can replace till here. So do that. Okay, hope you verified. In sign up page, you have the icon, login, contact, about, and home. Everywhere we have the icons. We'll come to about page. In about page, about us, let it be. Here you can add within the about us, add one I tag, and for this I tag, class equal to fa hyphen building fa hyphen 4x for h1 align equal to center, so that in the middle of the screen the big font size okay, hope today getting the about us as a icon, something like this, but it becomes such a big 2x and orange color. 2x and orange color will be okay. Below to that, use the paragraph tag. Inside the paragraph tag, display the text data. For text data, you can display one paragraph. Let it be more text, no problem. Okay, hope ready. Check now how that look. Something like this. Now below we want to display icon in the left and text in the right. Again, icon in the left and text in the right. So for that, we have to start with the division. Inside the division, write a icon I 4x. You can use pink color and fa hyphen pull hyphen left. Fa hyphen pull hyphen left. Come down, use the p tag, write something. Pull left is nothing but float left. Pull left class, when you call it, is type of a float left. Pull left is nothing but float left. Instead of I tag, you can use some other tag also. You can use bold also, italic also, both will work. Any inline CSS, any inline tag. We can use any inline tag, it should work. The icon is coming the left side. We can increase the font size. 6x I have given. Let me give 6x. 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 Okay. Here you can add one H3 also. S3 also is a software industry. Software industry. Would be ready. Where it is coming? Both are coming. One after other. Same line. Pull left is nothing but float left. Copy this division, paste below. FA, pull right, and keep this one as a users customer management. Customer management. Today it is going which side? Right side. Icons went to the right side and text came in the left side. Pink you can change to something blue color. Inside the division you can use one to BR tag. CSS we have to write to manage it. This is coming down. On BR you can use inside. Supreme. Let's add one more pull left. Icon library look like meaningful. Right here headset should be in orange color. We can write here call searching, or maybe you can write call digital marketing. Digital marketing. See, we can write here pull left. Pull left. Something like this. Now we got idea how to use the icons. Next, I will give you one photo. I will show one photo. That is the homework. Based on icons. Tomorrow, hope you are going. Address will come in sometime. We'll send in WhatsApp. In group, we'll send you. Thanasandra, Tinasandra somewhere. Huh? Thanisandra. Some 17 kilometers from Marathali. You can try. If you go, it will be helpful for you. Saturday. Okay. Now let us see the photo as a homework. Photo. This is the homework. Take one photo. Even I will share in the group also. We are at 2 p.m. Try creating as clean as possible. It should not be mix up of here and there. Okay. These icons you can search from that website. Okay. This is called plus, this is called check, this is called pencil, this is called something. This is called transport, this is called user, this is called suitcase, and this is called settings. Not settings. Settings. It is called cogs, COGS. Okay. Settings is that, but at the place of setting that icon name is cogs, COGS. Tools, if you want, you can use tools also. This place you can use tools also. Okay. Tomorrow class. Which class? Tomorrow you need to go there, no? To keep your attendance. Hmm? You need to find the option or not. We need to find the option, no? Option we have to find. Huh? For long gap, people also we have solution in that room. In that, two people yesterday shifted. Two people got yes. Okay. Two people. Huh? They got job. Job in the sense the process is like this. Huh?